Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share 3 simple ideas for watercolor Christmas cards. They're quick, easy, and you can make them at home. For the first idea, I'm painting some Christmas lights with warm colors. I keep the colors light and transparent for a cozy feel. For the second idea, you don't need the same brush I'm using. Any brush that makes thin lines works. You can even use a pen or a dip pen for the branches. For the third idea, I'm painting a Christmas tree. I use my loose style with a scattered brush strokes. No perfection, just letting the brush move. That's it. Thanks for painting with me. You can try these ideas or just use them as inspiration. I'd love to hear what you made. Merry Christmas, and I wish you lots of joy this year.